Well, look, swing your legs. Woohoo! Yay! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Woohoo!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What's it? Scream, Zack, scream!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Brilliant!
Oh my god!
Well done.
Oh. Is that as fast?
Swing your legs, Zack.
Ah!
Here we go. Into the trees. Whoa. And this is the bit into the tunnel. This is the fast bit. Ready? Whoa! Is that good? That's it now. That's all over. Last bit. Wiggle your legs. Woohoo! Into the tunnel. Whoa! Very good. Oh, good one, Zack. There he goes. Oh, look, there's no one on that one. Doesn't it? Makes the wind. How cool is that? Blew the leaves off the trees. Hey, look at that. Woo! Very nice. When you see the animal, you need to press a button. So look, what can you see up there? There's a toucan. So press, where's the toucan button? The red one. Red one, look.
Rest of the world to spot some of the animals that call the rainforest their home. Be sure.
There's a panther.
Oh, there's tortoises.
Oh look, big tortoise, look.
First up is the toucan with its really large yellow beak.
There is something over there.
Yeah. Where's the elephant button? That's it. Go on then, press it. It's really wet.
Did you press that
I'll do that
button?
elephant button noise. There it is. Fancy doing that today?
Where's the snake?
Let's go.
Right, keep looking, keep looking. Up there on the roof. And there, look. And there.
It's got cover to it.
Yeah. Bah, 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 bah. Oh, it's like a garage, Zack. This is Zack's favourite ride. Toon Blaster.
What if he's through? What's gonna happen to us?
But if he is true, then all our adventures.
Oh yeah, we need to keep an eye on what's going on. Yeah, we need to keep an eye on what's going on.
Spectral blasters cannot be shared.
It's Lisa. Oh, Zack.
Stop me from escaping into the outside.
You need to force him into it. Look out for the glowing specks and use your spectral blasters to shoot them to force the priest into our track. We'll be waiting to catch him for good. It's now time to remove your spectral blasters.
Looks like we're spinning. He looks way better, doesn't he? Let's shoot his eyes.
This is Scarab Mission Needle.